it's Aiden from InPlay. I'm at WIoT Tomorrow Show here in Wiesbaden, Germany. And at our booth, I'm showing off the products from our partner MokoSmart here. So they've taken our IN100 NanoBeacon and they have put it into these various different form factors, as you can see, demonstrated on this sheet that they gave up to us. And I have a couple sample here that I would like to show you guys. So one of them that they showed on that sheet here is this person tracker. So this can be, put onto your wrist. This could be for like a patient in a hospital, sort of a medical application. It could be something like a guest in a secure area who needs to be authenticated wirelessly, for example. So security, people tracking, all sorts of different variations of that sort of application here, right? Another one is this flexible sort of paper thin application. It is a flexible battery in there, either printed or paper battery, which allows for, this sort of stick it onto something. Another one are these two variations. We have a -T model, which means temperature. They have put a temperature sensor in here, which allows, this sort of accurate temperature measurement applications. So you might be tracking something that needs, a sensitive temperature, for example. And then they have this regular version, a little cheaper without the temperature sensor for, tracking, generic assets. So might put it on the side of a box, side of a pallet, and track it throughout a factory. And these are powered with coin cell batteries, and they can last for up to a year. So another variation is this round version, right? See a little bit of, different sort of form factor here, a little thicker, but also into this sort of smaller surface area versus this rectangular one. All right. So if you were interested in any of these wonderful products made by MokoSmart, go ahead and reach out to us, and we're happy to get you in contact with them. Thank you.